Maitri, a very layman or a very generalistic question. What is the difference between exercise physiology and a physiotherapy?
No, I think it's a great question. I think layman's come up with the most fantastic questions. So, a physiotherapist is somebody who deals with musculoskeletal injuries. He or she will actually correct musculoskeletal imbalances. If there has been a fracture, if there is a tear or sprain, then they will be the ones who will be actually, correcting or going to that specific group of the musculoskeletal tissue and advising exercises, supervising exercises. They also conduct a lot of um, recovery modules, like they will do cupping, they can do acupuncture. They're trained in all of that as well. um, they also do a lot of cardiac rehabilitation, as in if somebody has had a heart attack or if somebody has had a brain stroke, then they would be the first people to sort of get these people back moving. It's called cardiovascular physiotherapy. They would be the people to help those with neurological disabilities to move. If there are children with the on the autism spectrum, if there is a Down syndrome child, if there is a cerebral palsy child, then neurophysios are the ones who really monitor their progress. They're the ones who will give them guided exercise movements. So that is the role of a physiotherapist. An exercise physiologist comes into the picture much later, when all we need is a physician's consent to then put them on a supervised exercise program. We do not go into the depths of musculoskeletal injuries, or we do not make musculoskeletal corrections. That is the role of a physiotherapist. So many times we work hand in hand with physiotherapists. So many times we work hand in hand with the patient's primary care physician, because the health industry is an interdisciplinary industry. So many times the physiotherapist will have a list of exercises which or movements which should be done, and then we would put the exercises for the movements, or list of movements which should not be done. So that is the difference.